What's up everybody? It's Laura at Vegan RV, and today we are going to visit our final destination in Thailand. We're headed to Bangkok and we're going to show you some crazy luxury malls and a park in the middle of the city with giant lizards. You thought alligators were scary? Wait till you see these things. And of course, you know, we find all the good food because that's what we do. So that's it. I'm going to send you off to it. So check it out.
Stir-fried vegetables, roasted eggplant, and some sauce for
Place called Referral. I don't know if you can see that. Kevin, we got a special
vegetarian festival special.
Yeah.
It's still going on.
Yeah.
It's caramelized tofu, some chili oil, peanuts. Yeah, I forgot what that is.
And then there's soy milk in it.
Yeah.
So, and then I got this tempeh bowl. Wants peanut sauce.
Watch yourself.
Look how pretty that is.
Look at those. Want some?
Anyway, this place. Around.
Hold on. This is the 6th floor.
Yeah.
It's insane.
Yeah. Malls here are crazy. I want to point out that they take malls very seriously here. So what I mean by seriously is that you can shop for a Rolls Royce here at the mall. Or, you know, McLaren. Butterfly pea drink.
Okay.
Oh, it's real good. So Kevin and I both got the same thing here at Farm Factory. And I got the medium size. And then he got the factory size. I don't know if that's really helpful, but here we go. Yeah, anyway, one's bigger than the other. How about that? Oh no!
It's Godzilla lizard!
So, we're at a food court. In the bottom of one of these malls, and what happens is you walk in and they give you this thing. It has like a barcode on it, and then you go to each place and you get whatever it is you're going to get, and they scan this, and then when you leave, you pay for it all. So you can just go from place to place to place and get little things. So we got stuff there. It's a vegetarian place, and they had egg and some things, but they have all the dishes laid out. I'll show you in a second. So you could just pick what you wanted, and they know a little bit of English, so it's pretty cool. So they just have the dishes laid out. You just pick what you want. For you visual people. So Kevin got pad thai with no egg, and I got tofu with Chinese broccoli and rice things. So one thing that happens here in Bangkok is that you don't cross the street at street level. You come up on this, come up some stairs, and you cross up here. Not at every intersection, but I think that's a lot safer for pedestrians for sure. Pretty cool. To believe this is in the middle of the city. If you can see how big this guy is. He's probably about 40-50 pounder. Oh my God. He wants no part of me. He's eating. Oh God, that thing's big. So he's at least 4 feet long. There's not one sneaking up behind me. Somebody brought some snacks. Looks like some squash for the turtles. Yes, that's where we're staying right now. Conrad. Is this a cheeseburger?
Yeah. So we came here for the small meal.
Yeah. Well, this is a salad, so.
I messed up.
The tofu satay wrap. So I've never seen spinach in a dosa before, so I got that. And Kevin got a plain dosa, but he's got his potatoes on the side. Oh, and some, because they have vegan naan, so we got vegan garlic naan.
Oh man, what about those lizards? The monitor lizards? Holy crap, they were big. And they were everywhere. They were just everywhere. They were just littered everywhere. I don't know. Luckily, none of them showed any interest in me, so I was pretty happy about that. Well, we do have more Bangkok to show you. Next video, we are going to move hotels and we'll be in Chinatown. So I hope you subscribe and then you'll get a notification when we put out that video. So we will see you then.